Imagine gazing at a celestial fireworks display, but instead of fleeting sparks, you are witnessing the birth of stars. That's the awe-inspiring sight captured in this stunning image of Westerlund 1, the largest and closest superstar cluster to Earth. Released on July 23, 2025, this mesmerizing view is a masterpiece of collaboration between NASA's most powerful telescopes. But here's where it gets mind-boggling. This isn't just a pretty picture. It's a window into a cosmic nursery where stars are born at an astonishing rate. The image blends data from three of NASA's most advanced observatories: the Chandra X-ray Observatory, shown in pink, blue, purple, and orange, the James Webb Space Telescope, in yellow, gold, and blue, and the Hubble Space Telescope, in cyan, gray, and light yellow. Together, they reveal a dynamic, multi-wavelength portrait of Westerlund 1, showcasing the cluster's intense activity in unprecedented detail. And this is the part most people miss. Chandra's X-ray observations have uncovered thousands of individual stars emitting powerful X-rays, a telltale sign of their vigorous formation and evolution. This data, combined with infrared and optical insights, is helping astronomers piece together the complex processes that drive star production in this galactic factory. This image is part of a larger collection that combines data from Chandra and other telescopes, offering a comprehensive look at the cosmos. It's not just a scientific achievement, it's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe. Here's where it gets controversial. Could star clusters like Westerlund 1 hold the key to understanding how galaxies form and evolve? Or are we merely scratching the surface of a much larger cosmic mystery? What do you think? Let's spark a discussion in the comments. Agree, disagree, or share your own theories. Image credit, X-ray, NASA, CXC, SAO, optical, NASA, ESA, STSII, IR, NASA, ESA, CSA, STSII. Processing, NASA, CXC, SAO, L. Fraterri.